Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. It's Laurie Bly DIY, and today I have these super cute nautical striped starfish candle holders. There are little LED lights inside, so there's no worry about there ever being a fire when you use them. I think they'd make a great centerpiece at home or a wedding, or you could change up the colors and maybe use them for a baby shower. They were pretty inexpensive and really fun to make. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my future videos. To begin, you're going to need 1 9 and 2 7.5 inch glass containers, 2 packages of the dot stickers, navy blue and ocean green, 3 starfish or shells from the Dollar Tree, glue dots, 3 packages of white sand, 3 LED pillar candles, and your glue gun. White, navy blue, and turquoise sky spray paint along with 1/2 inch painter's tape. I washed each of the containers before I used them, and to begin, all you need to do is take your 1/2 inch painter's tape and begin to run it along the very top of the glass container. Starting at the very top of the glass container, you begin to work the tape around the lip. It's very important to make sure that you keep it as straight as possible, because when you continue to work down, you want your lines to be straight. Continue to match the edges of the tape as you continue to work your way down the glass container. Now, human error, more than likely you're going to have a little bit difference at the bottom. So what I do is I work from the top to the bottom, and that way you really won't notice if there's a little difference in the stripes at the bottom. And continue to work your way until you get to the very bottom, making sure that you're pressing the tape down tightly. And as you can see, I pull the tape back and forth to make sure that it's meeting the edge of the tape before it, and I make sure that I continue to flatten it out as I go. And now you can see that the glass container is completely covered in the painter's tape, and I did this for all 3 of my containers. And this is the less glamorous part of the video because I'm spraying everything outside. So I took my white spray paint and I just set my starfish up on some cans, and then I just sprayed them with the spray paint on the front, and then I continued to spray them after they dried on the back. After spraying the starfish, I took my glass container and I just used the same white paint to spray the inside of it. I let it dry and gave it 2 coats. After it completely dried, I then began to just peel off the tape. I wanted a white stripe on the top and the navy blue, so that was the pattern that I went for. And I just gently pulled the tape off, making sure that all the edges still stayed down very tightly. I used a piece of plastic wrap to cover the top of the container, and I just wrapped it around itself and squeezed it tightly on. I then placed the container up on top of a can, and I began to spray it with my navy blue spray paint. After the first coat, I let it dry, and then I gave it a second coat. I repeated this for both of the 7.5-inch containers, and then I followed the same procedure for the 9-inch container. And for the 9-inch container, I used the Turquoise Sky spray paint. Once again, covering the top with the plastic wrap and then giving it 2 coats of paint. Once the containers are dry, you then remove the tape. If you do have any little specks of paint that snuck under your tape, just take a sharp razor or the edge of a knife and then just gently scrape them off. I decided to give each of my containers a coat of Mod Podge on the stripes just to protect them, because it is paint on glass and I thought there was a possibility that they could get scratched, but this is not mandatory. I chose to use 3 starfish that I got at Michael's, but you can use the shells from the Dollar Tree. They are so easy to embellish. You're just going to use these plastic dots that I got at Dollar Tree, the navy and the ocean green, and you simply hot glue them onto your shell or the starfish. And I just continued the same procedure over and over until I had 2 of the navy blue starfish and 1 of the ocean green starfish. These candle holders are so fun because you can change up the colors to match any decor in your home, or you could use them for any holiday or a great gift for someone. Using the Dollar Tree shells, I just placed the beads across the top of it, but you could use any pattern that you like. To decorate the outside of the striped container, I just kind of decided where I wanted to place my starfish. So I flipped it over and then I used my glue dots to secure it. I made sure that I put plenty of glue onto the starfish legs just to make sure that it would catch in all the right places. And once the starfish was ready, I just placed it where I had originally planned onto the front of the container, pressing it down to make sure the glue dots were catching. And I continued to do this for all 3 of the containers. I then took the 3 bags of sand that I got at the Dollar Tree and I placed a bag in each of the containers. And once that was done, I took the LED candles and I placed them on, and I placed one inside of each of the containers. I think they came out so cute and they are so pretty, and you could use them for any occasion, and they're also safe to put anywhere in your home. I hope you had as much fun watching me make these for you as I had making them,
And don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. See you soon!